Supermaven versus GitHub Copilot. Supermaven is a high-performance AI code completion assistant with a massive context window that learns from your editing workflow. Now let's talk about its pros and cons. So for the pros, it delivers blazing fast completions with notably low latency. It also handles large code bases with ease thanks to an impressive 300K to 1 million token context window. They also have and built for precision, which includes a smart chat interface with different aware actions and error fixing capabilities. And it supports a variety of IDEs like VS Code, JetBrains, NeoVim, and more. Although there might be some cons to consider, it offers fewer advanced features beyond autocomplete. Some of the best abilities, like adapting to your coding style, are reserved for the paid pro plan. The development pace also has become slow compared to other plugins, and it requires an internet connection, which means it retains the code data briefly, approximately 7 days. Now, GitHub Copilot, on the other hand, is Microsoft's mainstream AI coding assistant, integrated deeply with developer ecosystems like GitHub and VS Code. So, let's talk about its pros and cons. It is easy to use and seamless with the integration. It is also using a benchmark reliability across real projects. It also offers expanding ecosystems with multimodal support. Although the cons are it has context windows which is limited, making it less effective with large or custom code base. The community also has some feedback reports which becomes inconsistent or stale suggestions. And they have the studies that highlight the copilot's output may include insecure or flawed code. But overall, choose Supermaven if you want the ultimate speed, large context awareness, and precision completions, and the best for lagging updates. And choose GitHub Copilot if you're after smooth integration, broad ecosystem support, and the multimodal AI assistant.